Namaste, Namaha Te. Welcome you all back to this session of meditation, this series which we have been conducting on weekends. This weekend, last weekend we could not do it because of the Surya Grahan. Okay, today we start this session and we move to a very finer point of meditation. Thoughts occur in our mind, and these thoughts keep on coming and keep on going. We sometimes become aware of that, and sometimes we are not aware of them. Still they keep on flooding us. But there is one question which I want all of you to think about. Where are these thoughts or read? Do we read these thoughts or do we see them? If we see them, where do we see them? We can always say, and if we say we see the thoughts, where do we see them? This is a very deep insight into the thoughts, that the thoughts occur like a movie on a screen. Sometimes the light is dim, sometimes the light is very bright, and that screen is somewhere on the inside of our forehead. So let us today meditate to clean that screen. Once the screen is cleaned, we can very easily ensure that our thoughts are clean. Let us clean the screen. The dirt is not on the thoughts, the dirt is on the screen. So let us work towards cleaning that screen. Very simple. Rub your hands. Let us start the process. Very simple. Rub your hands together softly, gently, touching each other and feeling the softness and warmth of one hand on the other. And then touching the forefinger with the thumb, keeping the other three fingers together with a very light pressure, and in this manner that these three fingers are not exactly straight, they are bent a bit, and we bring them and place them on our knees or our thighs. If we are sitting on a chair, if we are sitting on cross-legged, we can place them on our knees. Palms facing upwards, with the center of the palm as the point of our identification. Okay, smile the broadest smile. We are going to do something new today. Take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath in and release. Take 2-3 deep breaths and release with your eyes open. And what are we feeling? We are feeling some thoughts, some good, some not so good, some bad. Something is happening, something is not happening. But one thing at the bottom of all these feelings is we are feeling relaxed. Okay, now close your eyes very gently. Inside, detached from the world, detached from all the worries of future, fears of past, what I am going to do next, what I am not going to do, who is coming, who is going, what is happening. We drop all these things. Let us start the journey of infusing the entire body with happiness. Focus on your forehead, make it smile. Smile as if the forehead itself is smiling. You will feel a lightness out there. Both eyes, they are relaxed, make them feel happy. Both the ears, make them feel happy. Cheeks, the tongue in your mouth, let it lie down by its own weight, and it is very happy since it is not yapping. Your teeth, feel that the gums of our teeth are very happy, a whole lot of blood is rushing to them. Take a deep breath in, release, and our entire face and the head is happy. We move down to neck now. Neck is the place where all our worries and tension get stored. So we need to loosen the muscles of the neck. The muscles at the back of the neck, muscles on the sides of the neck, the front muscles, all 6 types of muscles we release. And release. And release. The neck is absolutely tension free now. Move to your shoulders. Another point where we carry our worries. Release the muscles of your shoulders. Feel them. What are you feeling now? Make both shoulders weightless. The elbows, the wrists and the palms. The wrists are the most important ones. Fill them with happiness. Let them dance in joy. Beautiful feeling. The wrists are also telling you, thank you, thank you. You paid attention to my life. So, make the wrists also happy. Move up, go to your shoulders, get inside your heart. Try to listen to its heartbeat. When we try to listen to its heartbeat, we are putting our attention there, and that is allowing more blood to flow onto its walls. Make it tension free. Your lungs, make them also tension free. Stomach, intestine, liver, kidneys, the entire lower torso, make it feel very happy. Touch your navel from inside with the curiosity of a child. Thighs, your knees, your shins, your ankles, your feet. In one instance, feel your ankles, your wrist, your heart at the same time and feel how joyful they are. Your entire body is now full of happiness, full of joy. You are the fountainhead of joy now, full of happiness. Feel that. Now come on to your forehead, the area beneath your hairline and above your eyebrows. This is the area where all your thoughts are projected as a movie. It is on the inside of the forehead. That is why we put chandan out here, we put tilak, we put all kinds of things onto head. Now what you do is focus on the tip of your nose. Start moving up slowly. Reach the center of the eyebrows. Move up. Go till the center of your head. You have divided your forehead into 2 parts, the left part and the right part. There are 2 parts from inside. First you create your own seat from where you will sit and watch these 2 parts. And that seat is your pineal gland, the center of the head. Clean that, sit there, look in front. There is a screen in front of you. That is your inside of your forehead. And on that forehead there is a white screen which is dirty. A lot of dust on that. Clean the left side of the screen. You got a Imagine you've got a bucket of white paint, you throw it on that screen. The screen starts shining white. Now when you look from your point, left screen is white and right screen is dull. It is also white but a bit dull. Rush to your right screen now. Throw the bucket of white paint again on this. Now the right screen is also bright. Both these screens are bright. Internally, the forehead of yours from inside is clean now. Go back to your point of view. Now divide the left screen into two parts. One is from the edge of your eye to the center of the eye. Second, from the center of left eye to the center of eyebrows. Third, from center of eyebrows to the center of the eyeball. And fourth, from center of eyeball to the edge of the forehead. Now there are 4 parts of your forehead in front of you. Let us number them. The leftmost is 1, then 2, then third, and the fourth is the rightmost one. These are 4 screens on your forehead. The same forehead which was earlier 1, we divided that into 2, and now we've divided that into 4. The same screen has got 4 parts. Look at number 1. Pour a bucket of white paint. Make it white, make it shine. Go to number 2. Pour a bucket of paint. Make it white, make it shine. Merge this with number 1. Go to number 3. Make it white, make it shine. Merge it with 1, 2 and 3. Go to 4. Make it white, make it shine. Merge it with 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 screens are now shining. They are brighter than what they were earlier. Absolutely bright white. Absolutely bright white screen. All your thoughts get projected on this white screen. Since your screen is so pure and white, it will only attract pure and beautiful thoughts. Now what you do is divide the entire screen horizontally into 2 parts. Now there are 8 parts of the screen. Upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower, upper, lower. Start cleaning one after the other from your left side. Take a screen, scrub it with a piece of cloth, make it clean. The upper one, then the lower one. The second, the upper one, the lower one. The third, upper one, lower one. The fourth, upper one, lower one. Now that you've cleaned all 8 of them, your screen on which all your thoughts occur is become the purest of the pure. And purest of the pure is Saraswati Devi, Durga Devi, Lakshmi Devi. All the Devis, they are the purest of the pure. Whomsoever you believe in, ask them to come and sit on this pure screen. I ask Saraswati Devi to come and sit on the screen which is on the inside of my forehead. I ask the Lakshmi Devi to come and sit on the screen which is on the inside of my forehead. Now when you do anything or any thought occurs to you, You have a celestial power to convert that. Any bad thought that comes to your mind, this celestial power, this celestial Devi will clean it or exterminate it. Your thoughts will become pure. They will become less in numbers. All thoughts of fear will vanish. Just try this. Whatever you were afraid of, just think of that scene and try to project that screen or scene on this screen where Devi is sitting. However hard you may try, you will not be able to project that movie of fear which you have been running again and again in your head. Try with anger. You got angry on whatever you got angry in last 24 hours. Try to run that movie on the screen. Keep focus on the screen and then try to run that movie. You will not be able to get angry. All memories which are stored in us of all the negative thoughts, they simply will refuse to play. It is like from a CD we have moved to DVD player. They simply will not. You can try it again. Jealousy. Recall what you were jealous of. And now let that recall get projected on this white screen. You will not be able to project it. Or the jealousy which arose in you with such ferocity that jealousy will lose its potency. You yourself will start laughing what I was thinking. You yourself will start laughing why I was getting angry. You yourself will start laughing what stupid thing I was afraid of. Now very slowly open your eyes. Recall the white screen again with open eyes. That yes, on the inside of my forehead there is a white screen. And that white screen is the brightest of all. It is like 1,000 suns shining out there. Dirty thoughts, black thoughts, smoke, everything decimates in its presence. I will never be able to project them on the forehead. Keep reminding yourself of this visualization throughout the day. Keep on. Whenever you catch yourself thinking of something, immediately recall that this is being projected on the Murti of Devi. Immediately the energy which is with that thought will get converted into bhakti. Energy will not get decimated, simply it will get converted into bhakti. Your endocrine system will release those hormones which will make you happy. You will immediately come out of the angry situation. You will immediately come out of the fearful situation. You will immediately come out of the situation that is making you jealous. Keep trying this throughout the day. There is a white screen, and on that white screen you project all your thoughts. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Let's meet tomorrow to get one more new insight into this beautiful world which is between our ears. And through meditation, let us try to slow down the pace of our life and move towards connecting with that Almighty which is prevalent everywhere. Thank you very much. Before that, just open your fingers very slowly. You might find it a bit difficult. That is the strength of your meditation. Bring both hands closer to each other without touching. Rub them as if there is a wad of cotton between them. You can feel the heat of one hand on the other. That much of energy you have accumulated in this meditation session. Very slowly bring them to your eyes and turn your fingers. Very softly touch the socket of the eyes and let the energy get inside the eyes. Let it nourish the eyes. Let it fill up the head with positivity. Let it make your life more blissful. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhavet. Let everyone be cheerful. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Let everyone be without any disease. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Let everyone meet good people, good things. Ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. Let dukh, the suffering from everyone's life, be removed. Bring your hands down. Smile and keep that smile on your face throughout the day. See you tomorrow. Namaste.